to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be looking at how to change out the engine air filter in one of the new Kia Sportages. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alrighty, so the first thing we're going to do is open up the hood and locate the air box. Right here inside is where the filter is housed. Now the filter itself has two little locking tabs that we're going to lower, one on each side, and then you should be free to remove the current air filter. Now, depending on the replacement filter that you get, you may need to remove this rubber grommet that goes all the way around this plastic housing. Some of them may come with it, some of them may not, so just be mindful when you look at the new one if you need to grab this off or not. But you should be able to just slide the filter right back in after you've got everything together, and we'll just reverse the process of locking these back down. Oh, sorry, up is locked. And then you can see that we can't take the filter out, and then we can just close the airbox back. And that's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description to a new filter if you want to go ahead and change out your own on your Sportage. Again, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video, and hope to see you in my next one.